Well, hello there, guys, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and you know what time it is. It is time to get cooking. And boy, oh boy, do I have a good recipe to share with you today. I'm making a very easy and delicious chicken fajita and noodle casserole. I know, this one is so good because it combines the chicken fajita mixture, which consists of your chicken and your onions and peppers, with a delicious, cheesy, creamy sauce. And then you mix that together with some egg noodles, and it makes an amazing dish. It's rich, it's hearty, it's comforting. Yeah, it is a good recipe. So let me go through all the ingredients that you will need and show you just how to make this amazing chicken fajita and noodle casserole. So I have here 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I have thinly sliced. And then you will also need a tablespoon of olive oil. And then you can use the prepackaged fajita seasoning mix, but I like to make my own. And this is 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, cumin powder, and paprika. You will also need some salt and pepper, and then 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and then 1 16-ounce container of sour cream, 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You can also use the Mexican blend of cheese. And then I have a cup here of sliced onions and sliced peppers and 2 garlic cloves, and then you will need 12 ounces of egg noodles. So I'm just going to pour my egg noodles into a pot of boiling water and cook them until they are done. I've added the olive oil to a large skillet, and then I'm going to add my onions and my peppers. And I'm just going to cook these until the onions become translucent and those peppers get tender. I'm going to add my seasoning to my chicken along with a couple pinches of salt and some black pepper. And then I'm going to go ahead and mince my garlic using my garlic press. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this chicken. And I'm going to cook this until the chicken is completely cooked through. Oh, this is smelling so good. All right, so to a mixing bowl, I'm going to combine my soup. With my sour cream. I'm just going to mix this together. And I'm going to add my cheddar cheese. Just going to save maybe about 1/2 cup or so to sprinkle over top. I'm going to mix the rest of it in with the soup and sour cream. All right, so my chicken looks done, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. And I'm going to add my sour cream, soup, and cheese mixture. Mix this all together. Mix my chicken and my peppers and onions and the soup. Mix all of this together. And finally, I'm going to add the egg noodles. So I am going to spray some nonstick spray into a 9x13 baking dish. And then I'm just going to pour this noodle mixture into my baking dish. And then finally, I'm just going to sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. And then I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until the cheese is melted and it's all hot and bubbly. Okay, this chicken fajita noodle casserole is all done, and oh, it smells and looks amazing. Yeah, you gotta check this out. Oh, this is so good. It's so creamy and cheesy. And you got the chicken and the onions and the peppers. And this is a wonderful freezer-friendly meal, so it's perfect to make ahead and then just keep it in your freezer. I hope that you guys give this a try because it is so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.